Do you ever wonder how your HR handles many employee questions about pay, benefits, or starting a new job? Well, they definitely have a HelpDesk software, because it turns all those questions into organized tickets, sorts out what's super urgent, and comes with handy self-help tools. That's why we have tried out 5 of the best HelpDesk platforms for you. Just watch till the end and pick which suits you the most. Starting with the front. Well, it's technically a customer operations platform, but it works like a dream for internal help desks too. One of the best things about Front is its shared inbox. Instead of emails floating around in different HR inboxes, everything comes to one central place. That means no one's accidentally missing a message or replying late just because it slipped through the cracks. Your whole team just stays in the loop without stepping on each other's toes. Another cool thing we found here is how the omni-channel messaging works. When any employee sends a WhatsApp message, fires off an email, or texts the HR number, it all shows up in one unified feed. This way, HR doesn't have to switch platforms or miss out on casual questions that come through non-email channels. To save even more time, this platform has AI answers that pull information from your internal HR knowledge base. So, if someone wants to know where their pay slip is or how to request time off, AI can deliver answers instantly. Sometimes employees need quick help, and that's where live chat comes up. It allows HR to jump into real-time conversations when urgent issues pop up. Every question, no matter how it comes in, is turned into a ticket. This gives HR full visibility into what's been answered, what's in progress, and what still needs attention. It adds structure to the chaos and ensures every task is owned and tracked until it's closed. On top of that, Front comes with a knowledge base, which acts like a self-service center. It's filled with answers to frequently asked questions, so employees can find solutions on their own without always reaching out. That's less pressure on HR and faster help for everyone. To boost productivity, the automation and insights works great all together. The automation is like having an invisible assistant, and the insights add even more value by showing helpful data, like response times and common question trends. Overall, Front stands out with its mix of automation, real-time support, and collaborative tools. It gives HR teams the confidence to handle questions quickly, keep employees happy, and avoid inbox overload. Next up, we have FreshDesk. Whenever it's a question about leave policies, a request for IT help, or someone needing clarification on payroll, this platform helps keep everything in order. The first feature we want to talk about is the email ticketing, which transforms each email into a ticket that HR can track from start to finish. That way, no request falls through the cracks, and HR can respond quickly and consistently. Now, when messages come in from different platforms like email, social media, or WhatsApp, ticketing channels bring them all into one place. Then, one unique thing we found here is the Freddy AI, a smart tool that automatically replies to repetitive questions using information from your HR knowledge base. On top of that, the automation handles tasks like assigning tickets to the right person or marking high-priority queries. If you're part of an HR team, FreshDesk makes working together super easy. You can tag teammates, leave private notes, or write replies together without confusing the employee. It keeps things organized and smooth. To help even more, the knowledge base lets you create helpful articles for common questions, like how to apply for leave or update personal info. This means employees can often find answers on their own, saving everyone time. You also get reports and analytics to track how many tickets are coming in, how fast you're responding, and what issues keep popping up. It helps you spot problems early and improve support. FreshDesk also works well with tools like Slack or your HR software, so you're not constantly switching between apps. Everything connects easily. Now, the only downside is the pricing. Some useful features like advanced AI tools or support for multiple languages are only in higher-tier plans, which might be a bit much for small teams. Still, FreshDesk is a solid choice. It's modern, organized, and makes supporting your team a whole lot easier. Now, the Zoho Desk. When you tried out this software, it felt like it was built with modern HR teams in mind. One of the most helpful things about Zoho Desk is its omni-channel feature. It brings together messages from email, phone, social media, WhatsApp, and more. That means HR can respond from one place, no matter where the query comes from, and employees get fast, consistent support. Then there's the self-service portal, which includes the ASAP widget and a customizable knowledge base. Employees can search for answers on their own or raise tickets without bothering HR for every small issue, which makes the whole process quicker and easier for everyone. Plus, this platform uses smart tools like guided conversations with Zia, the built-in AI assistant. It helps you to answer common questions fast, so your team doesn't have to deal with the same questions over and over again. When real tickets come in, the Work Modes view helps you sort them by urgency, so serious stuff like payroll issues doesn't get buried under general queries. This platform also gives you the full picture with contextual support. It shows past chats and pulls in info from your HR system, so you know what's going on before replying. To keep everything on track, you can set SLAs to make sure you're replying in time. The reports and dashboards also give you a quick view of what's working and what's not. It also integrates with tools like Slack or Zoho People, so you don't have to keep switching between platforms. The only thing to watch out for is pricing. Some helpful features like multi-language support or guided conversations are only available in the higher enterprise plan, which might be a stretch for small HR teams. But overall, it's a clean, smart, and helpful tool if you want to keep your employees well connected. HubSpot Service Hub. It's a trusted solution for companies that want to stay on top of employee requests, from basic benefits questions to detailed IT help. And since it connects seamlessly with HubSpot's CRM, it gives a full view of every employee interaction, which means more personalized support and less back and forth for HR. Whether someone reaches out through email, chat, WhatsApp, or Facebook Messenger, everything shows up in a single dashboard. This means you don't have to jump between apps to keep track of requests. Each question automatically becomes a ticket, with employee details pulled from the CRM. That way, you can quickly see what's urgent, like a payroll issue, and respond in a more personal way. For everyday questions, HubSpot's AI tool, Breeze Customer Agent, either gives instant answers or suggests reply templates for you to use. This saves you tons of time and helps employees get quick info without waiting. You can also build a knowledge base full of FAQs and guides, so employees can find answers on their own when they want. The system automatically routes tickets to the right person and sets deadlines for responses, so nothing gets missed. Plus, employees can log into a customer portal to check the status of their requests anytime, which makes the whole process transparent and clear. If something urgent comes up, live chat lets you have real-time conversations to help right away. On your side, the reporting dashboard gives you insights into common problems and how your team is doing. There's also conversational intelligence, which listens to chats and calls and gives you tips to improve how you respond. And with smooth integrations to tools like Slack and Salesforce, all your platforms work together without extra hassle. The only downside is the mobile app. It works, but it's not as smooth as the desktop version, which can be frustrating when you're on the move. All in all, HubSpot Service Hub helps you stay organized, respond faster, and give employees a better support experience. HappyFox, another simple help desk that's made for busy HR teams like yours. This platform isn't something extraordinary. The main feature here is the ticketing system. Every question, no matter if it comes from email, a phone call, or a form on your website, becomes a ticket you can easily track. So nothing gets lost, even if it's something tricky like a payroll issue. And with multi-channel support, All messages from places like email, social media, phone calls, or live chat show up in one place. This means you can reply to employees wherever they reach out, without switching between tools. HappyFox AI helps save time by giving smart reply suggestions or even answering simple questions on its own, like, how do I reset my password? It also works with automation tools to take care of tasks like sending tickets to the right HR person or marking urgent issues, so your team can stay focused on what really matters. Working together is also easier. You can leave notes for teammates or ask help from other departments like IT, without needing long email chains. For employees who like solving things on their own, the knowledge base has helpful articles and FAQs, so they don't have to wait for answers. If you're a manager, the reporting tools are super useful. You can quickly see things like which issues come up often or where delays happen, and then make improvements. And for fast-moving questions, live chat gives you a quick way to talk to employees in real time. Overall, if your HR team wants one simple system that keeps everything organized and makes life easier for employees, HappyFox is worth looking into. So these are the 5 employee help desk platforms to boost productivity and support. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.